Hi friends, I am Lakshya Singh, he's Sandy, he's Rana, and this is team of Lakshya Dancer Limited. So this is the tutorial video and we're gonna teach you today Badrinath ki Dulhaniya. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video we'll not use any music. You know the rules of YouTube. So but we'll sing, so you know which step will come on which line. So we'll sing for you. So we start from the beginning of the song, we start from the first step, we start from this position, left hand is like that, right hand is like that in the Ghungat position. So we all bend front, back and front. And after this we make left hand up, right hand down and we go out. With this leg also goes out and we come back. So this step we're doing twice and it comes on Khelan kyun na jaye tu holi re rasiya. Repeat, Khelan kyun na jaye tu holi re rasiya. After this hands are going in, that's twice, and legs are going, I'll show you from the front, this right left, right left, right left, right left. So we'll change side from this side to that side and we have fast 8 counts like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 we changing side. Now hands are like this and we swing it outwards, inwards, outwards, inwards. And first 2 steps we bend. 1, पूछे हैं गुजरिया. 4 counts and then our left leg goes back and we start the folk step. We tap backward, we keep our weight on left foot and like this, 4 counts. With this we make this Ghungat position once again and we change side. Badri ki Dulhaniya. So almost diagonal facing we have, and now same position we have from hand and we moving right leg this side, out, this side and out. So female voice will finish here, then male voice starts and from here our leg goes out 2 times, 1, 2, 3 and our hand is like this and we rub it kurti pe. So leg and hand goes kurti pe and then our hands and we pick it up gulal from back in a bending position, malu gulal. Now we jump forward, right left and right left. So and with this we doing this and shoulder, this and shoulder. So twice we do it. Rang bata blue ya lal, twice. Now our right leg goes back and hands are out fast. So our right leg goes right left right left right left, that's also twice. So air mein tere urte baal. So now we call it, and folk step we going back again the same way I taught you. First this step we shift our weight backward and we lift our right foot and we going back 1, 2, Rangdu, and our right leg goes back and we bend Rangdu Gal. Now the Sararara line comes and left hand again up, right leg is like this and we twist it with the hand goes like this, out and back, and we twist like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to jump and we shifting forward. We lift our left foot first, left right and sararara. Again jump, sararara. After this hands are like this and 1, 2, 3, 4 and leg position. Our foot goes in, out. Basically this step we're doing fast. So we're going back with the toes 1, 2, 3, 4 and on whistle down. Now we start. So we'll do this line once up on the lyrics. So from here खेलन क्यों न जाए तू होली रे रसिया, खेलन क्यों न जाए तू होली रे रसिया। पूछे हैं तो से सारे कुइया, कहाँ है बदरी की दुल्हनिया। दुल्हनिया कुर्ती पे तेरी मलूम गुलाल, रंग बता ब्लू या लाल। एयर में तेरे उड़ते बाल, आजा रंग तू दोनों गाल। देन सारा रा रा जम, सारा रा रा जम, सारा रा रा कबीरा, सारा रा रा whistle. Now we teach you new step. We are in bending position. Now we keep our left hands finger for finger and we move it front. 1, 2, 3 and we're lifting slowly up. Lyrics: baby ke dekhe jhumke. We are up on 4th step. Jhumke. Now we're going back and hands are 1, 2. With this, our right leg comes back and we jump. Right left. So how the step goes? Laga de char thumke. Now our left leg comes forward. Left. And with this, our left hand down and right up. Chichore nache jamke. Then music part. Right leg back. We turn and we jump. Now, next step, UP mein din dahade. Again we have twist kind of step and this time we moving waist 2, 3 and we jump facing front. We have slightly bending position, keeping left hand not front, not exactly side, a diagonal front. So now we swinging our body left, center, left. छत से ताड़े. Now after this we have this step, सब देखे आंखें फाड़े. We have this position up and legs are going in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. This step is a bit tricky but we can try this. So what we have to do is we have to do on the spot here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we going सब देखे आंखें फाड़े. So we are facing diagonal. Now left leg goes back, left, right and down position. After this, right leg comes front, tujh pe. We point from the left hand, tujh pe. With this, our base goes front, front. Now keeping our weight on right foot and we turn half. We turning from left. Turn and we change side. Now we facing from the left and now we have slowly तुझ पे टिकी है naughty nazariya. That's twice. Comes back and now we going down like Govinda style. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 steps we going down, down, down. Now we up, up and now left hand facing inside and right also. So tap, tap. Now we heading back fast from left, from right, from left and right. We come back fast. So we'll do this line. Now we have done this. Now the signature line start. And after reaching here, we have this position. Now we have to do this side. 5, 6, 7, 8. तुझको उठा करके, तुझको. Now we changing side after तुझको उठा करके. Left leg and right hand we have this position. Now we taking 3 steps this side. Left right, left right, left right. तुझको उठा करके ले. So our right hand goes up with the right foot. ले. Now we running back. ले जाएंगे. So we have this position. Now we start. 1, 2, 3, 4. We start from right foot. Right, right, left, left. Badri ki dulhaniya. Now we have this left hand like this. This step we have changed a bit because in movie they're going forward in this step, but we're doing 2 steps front and 2 steps back. So we have this position up. Now our right foot comes front and heels are facing outwards. You can see that. Now we're twisting inside. 1, 2. Same step from the left. Again both legs heels out and we twist it inside. 1, 2. So right, right, left, left. Now left leg goes back, left, left, and right, right. And then same step, Badri ki dulhaniya. After this, Rani bana karke, a right leg comes front and right, 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 right. And we reverse right, right, and back. And with this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rani bana karke. Then changing hands. Le jayenge. Now right leg comes back and we point ourselves. Le jayenge, and the same step. Badri ki dulhaniya. So we have done this signature line, friends. Thank you. I hope you like it, this video, and see you in next video. Bye bye.